this lecture, we will review the basic assumptions of interdisciplinarity and theories of interdisciplinary studies. The core elements connecting diverse interdisciplinary fields and programs to each other include certain assumptions, theories, and perspectives that is called the DNA of interdisciplinarity. Now, interdisciplinarity is a pluralistic idea embodied in diverse forms of studies programs. Anything pluralistic involves a diversity of different ideas or people. A pluralistic society, for example, is a diverse one where people in it believe all kinds of different things and tolerate each other's beliefs even if they don't match their own. The DNA of the diverse forms of interdisciplinarity and looking beneath the surface appearances reveals that they share certain assumptions, theories, and a commitment to different perspectives on reality. Now, when it comes to assumptions of interdisciplinary studies, there are five assumptions combine to differentiative interdisciplinary approaches to learning and research from disciplinary approaches. First being the complex reality beyond the university makes interdisciplinarity necessary. While disciplinary specialization is appropriate to fill in gaps in knowledge, complex problems necessitate an interdisciplinary approach. Next, the disciplines are foundational to interdisciplinarity. Disciplines provide specialization and the depth of analysis. Interdisciplinarity broadens our understanding on a given issue, problem, or question. Now, the disciplines are inadequate to address complexity comprehensively. Disciplines are not equipped to address complex problems comprehensively, stemming from many factors, such as they do not have cognitive or methodological tools to present the total picture. Next, interdisciplinarity is able to integrate insights from relevant disciplines. It is able to integrate disciplinary insights regarding a particular complex problem based on careful constructed process to achieve this integration. Next, the disciplines and the institutional policies that reinforce them often present major barriers to interdisciplinarity. Despite university presidents routinely applauding interdisciplinarity, the administrative structure of disciplines are still generally in place. Now, theories supportive and interdisciplinary studies, according to Repko, are as follows. Theory refers to a generalized scholarly explanation, such as the broken window theory of crime. Complexity theory means that there are multiple parts of a system that are connected and interact in sometimes unexpected ways with each other. Perspective-taken theory is viewing a particular issue, problem, object, behavior, or phenomenon from a particular standpoint other than your own. It involves analyzing the problem from the perspective of each interested discipline and identifying the differences and similarities between them. Common ground theory comes from cognitive psychology's theories of common ground and the emergent field of cognitive interdisciplinarity. And as stated before, cognition is a term referred to the mental processes involved in gaining knowledge and comprehension. Some of the many different cognitive processes include thinking, knowing, remembering, judging, and problem solving. So common ground theory comes from cognitive psychology's theories of common ground and the emerging field of cognitive interdisciplinarity. Now, integration theory integrates the best elements of competing concepts, assumptions, theories, or methods. Interdisciplinary integration is the cognitive process of critically evaluating disciplinary insights and creating common ground among them to construct a more comprehensive understanding. Interdisciplinary studies sees nature and human society through a set of lenses that reflect its assumptions and theories. To be interdisciplinary requires seeing reality in ways that are very different from disciplinary approaches. And remember, when we speak of disciplinary studies, a discipline is a branch of learning or body of knowledge such as physics, psychology, or history. Disciplinary refers to the system of knowledge specialties called disciplines. And interdisciplinary denotes a particular approach to study that is distinct from disciplinary approaches. It involves two or more academic, scientific, or artistic disciplines. So interdisciplinary studies see nature and human society through a set of lenses that reflects its assumptions and theories. To be interdisciplinary requires seeing reality in ways that are different from disciplinary approaches. It sees complexity in the familiar. It sees complex problems in context. It sees commonality amid difference and conflict, and it sees contingency in certainty. In my next lecture, we will review how to think critically about disciplinary perspectives and how to move from a position of dualism or relativism to one of critical pluralism.